I don't have nothing.
Stop.
Man, no, I don't.
Against the car.
Stop.
Against the car, you're gonna get tased.
Swabbed his mouth, the corner of his mouth,
Damn, son.
because he saw like white chunks right here, and his tongue is wider than me.
On June 20th, 2023, a standard traffic stop took a wild turn. While officers were standing right at the window talking to him, this driver boldly tried to hide evidence right in front of them. Watch closely to see exactly what happened next.
How about, bud?
What's going on?
I'm asking you how about the car? You took forever to pull over.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
Give me a stick up.
Why?
Huh?
Why?
What do you mean why?
Man, I don't know. You talking about come out the car. For what?
Leslie, step out of the car.
You talking about
Any
step
60,
out
give me
the
a
car?
show.
What I did, sir?
I'm telling you, Leslie, to step out of the car.
What I did, though?
I'm telling you to step out of the car.
What I did?
Leslie, step out of the car.
What I did?
Get out of the car.
But
I'm telling you to step out of the
But I'm
car.
saying, why you talking to me like that? I don't got nothing, bro.
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing. Bro, what you doing?
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing.
Step out of the car.
Bro, I don't have nothing, bro.
Step out of the car.
All right.
Get out of the car.
Bro, I swear, I don't got
Get out of the car.
Bro, what I got? I don't
Turn
got
around.
nothing.
He just threw the bag on the
No, I
ground.
didn't. I don't have nothing.
Stop.
Man, no, I don't.
Against the car.
Stop.
Against the car, you're gonna get tased. Put the hand behind your back. Hand behind your back. Now.
Put your hand behind your back. Do it
This is
now.
the last thing I'm gonna ask you.
I don't have
Put
nothing.
your right hand behind your back.
All right.
I got it. If you pull away, you're gonna get tased.
All right, I'm not.
Give me the phone.
If you, hey, let go of the phone, you're gonna get tased. You pull away one more time and you're getting tased.
But what I did, sir? Man, come on, officer.
Do not move, man.
All right, I'm not
Look,
clinching.
hey, I'm not playing with you, man.
Man, I'm not doing
Stop
that, sir.
turning around.
Sir, I'm not doing nothing, man. Man, officer,
He ate it all. He had it all in his mouth and he was chugging the drink. He had a thing of crack on his lap.
Man, no, I did not, sir.
Stay facing the car.
Sir, I don't got nothing in here, sir. Man, sir, I don't have
Hey,
nothing.
6, we have a
bro.
mail security and clear channel. We do need another unit.
But what I did, bro, I ain't do nothing. Bro, man, Sergeant Weaver's what I did, sir. Man, I ain't do nothing.
Just 2 units.
Sir, I didn't do nothing, sir.
Can you hold on while I grab that bag?
Bro, what bag, man?
You threw it right on the ground.
Listen, I got bags all over my car, bro. I didn't do nothing, Officer Weaver. Bro, I don't have crack in my car, bro. I
It's
swear
all
to God.
over you.
Bro, I don't have crack on me, bro.
You don't have crack on you? What's his, bro?
Bro, that is not crack, bro.
Meth?
No, that's nothing, bro.
Right. Because you ate it all.
No, I did not.
Search him.
Bro, I
I need
don't
gloves.
have
Search
no
him
crack on me, bro.
Get him in a car. Yeah, you got gloves? He had it all over him and he had it all over his lap. The
Man,
bag's
no, I
ripped
did
open.
not, bro, I didn't have no drugs on me, bro.
Okay. We're going to jail because we
damn.
told you to get out of the car and you didn't get out of the car.
That's why I'm going to jail for?
Yep, you're going to jail.
Man, oh my God, sir, come
Plus
on.
all the meth and all the
Bro,
stuff,
that is not
crack
mail,
all over.
bro.
Okay.
Bro, I swear to God, that's not mail, bro.
All right, you're under arrest.
For what, Officer Weaver?
Because we told you to get out of the car, you didn't get
But
out of the car.
I ain't doing that, though, sir.
If we tell you to get out of the car, you get out of the car.
Oh my God,
Which
Sergeant
is not
Weaver,
good.
please, man.
No, Leslie, that's how it works.
Man,
If we
come
tell you
on.
to get out of the car, you get out of the car.
Sergeant Weaver, please,
Nope.
sir, man.
Nope.
What I'm going to jail for?
You got a ripped open baggies
Man,
all
no,
over
I
your
didn't,
lap.
bro. I don't have no drugs on me.
I know, I'm trying to.
Just
Bro,
set it
I
right
don't
there.
have
Set
no
it right
drugs
there.
on me.
I'll get it back.
Man, Sergeant Weaver, I don't have no drugs on me, sir.
Because you ate them.
No, I did not. Bro, I did not eat no drugs, sir.
Open your mouth.
Oh
Open your
my
mouth,
God,
Leslie. Let me
man.
see. Open your mouth.
Got him for a sec.
Sir,
You
I
didn't
did
eat 'em?
not eat no drugs, sir.
Spread
Come
your legs a little
on,
bit more,
Officer
Leslie.
Weaver, please,
Spread
sir.
your feet,
Spread your
man.
legs a little bit more.
Sir, I did not. Bro, so I'm going to jail for what? Is this an arrest or something?
Yep.
Oh
told you
my
to get out of the car, you didn't get out of the car.
man.
That's an
Sir.
arrestable offense.
Huh?
We told you to get out of the car. You didn't get out of the car. That's an arrestable offense.
Come on, officer, please.
No, we had to physically remove you from the vehicle.
No, you did not.
Yes,
you opened my door.
Right.
Come
I
on.
told you to get out of the car.
Bring him back on the car.
So I'm going to jail for resisting arrest?
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Resisting arrest and all that stuff that's scattered all over your
Bro,
car.
that's ashes and shit, bro.
It's not ashes, bro. Okay. Yeah.
Oh my God, Sergeant Weavers, bro. I did not.
He had a bag ripped open.
No, I did not, bro. I got bags all over my car.
All over his lap.
Man, I do not have no drugs on me,
Just
sir.
get him in the truck. Yeah.
Man, come on. Can I talk to Officer Weavers, man?
No, you gotta go, Leslie.
Why I got to go to jail, bro?
You're under arrest.
For what, man? Come on, man. Please don't. Come on, Weavers, man.
Probably go around.
Is there any cars coming? I can't see.
Oh my God.
I think we're good.
Weavers, come on, sir, man. Why don't we go to jail, bro?
Hey, passenger side of the truck.
Bro, I'm going to jail for no reason, bro. Bro, what I'm going to jail for, man? Come on, man. Can I talk to my girl, bro?
No. Truck.
Man, come on, man. What I'm going to jail for, man? Bro, I ain't doing it.
Get in the truck. Come on. We're not going to do this.
Man, could you talk to me, please, sir?
I don't know what's going on. I just got here. Okay?
Hey, homie. Can you talk to me, please?
Are you sure you didn't eat nothing? Because your mouth is about as dry as it could be
Man,
right now.
I did not eat nothing. Bro, I did not eat nothing, bro. I swear to God, bro.
Let me see your mouth.
Come
Look
on,
at me.
man.
If you didn't eat nothing, let me see your mouth.
Sir, I did not eat nothing, bro.
Listen, no bullshit. If you ate something, we got to get you medical attention.
Bro, I did not eat nothing.
Hear me out. Hear me out. You have white powder all over your
lips.
lips.
Bro, I did not eat shit, bro.
You have powder all over your lips.
Bro, I did not eat nothing, bro.
Now look at me and pick up your tongue.
Bro, I did not eat nothing, bro.
Okay, because you did.
Man, no, I did not, sir.
Right, get in the car. We're not going to do this.
Bro, what I'm going to jail for, sir?
Get in the car.
Oh, my God, bro. I don't have no drugs on me.
Well, yeah, because you ate it. Put your feet
in. I did not.
Leslie, put your feet in.
Man, please, sir,
Put your feet in.
Can I talk to my girl first?
Let me figure out what's going on. Put your feet in, and I'll turn the air up. Okay?
Oh, my God, man. Please, sir, man.
Put your feet in.
Oh, my God, bro. Why y'all taking me to jail, bro? Please.
Because he told you, put your feet in.
Man, hey.
Leslie,
bro,
you put your feet in right now. I'm telling you this.
Bro,
this
don't tase me, bro. Can I talk to my girl?
Put your feet in.
Oh, my God,
I'm not going to do this shit with you.
All the way. Put your feet in. All the way, sir.
Put your feet in.
Man, please, man.
He took forever to pull over. Yeah. So.
Hey, he definitely ate it. Because his mouth is so white and dry, and he's got rocks sitting on his tongue still.
So as soon as he did it, as soon as he ate it, he was chugging this.
Yeah.
He was chugging this.
It looks like crack.
Yeah. Great. You can see a bunch of white particles floating in here. So this empty bag was on his lap when he pulled over. Like this. And he was like, and then he grabbed that and was chugging it. Me and Busele were telling him to get out of the car. He slow rolled the whole way. He was probably eating it all. And then he finally pulled over. And then we were telling him to get out of the car. He wasn't getting out. Reached in, had to undo the car. We got him out.
His genius idea didn't work as planned when he started to feel unwell and vomited in the back of the deputy's car. Obviously, the officers were not happy, but that gave them an immediate opportunity to test what he spat out.
Huh? Oh. He's puking? Yeah, hey, he's puking in the back of your car.
Are you throwing up? Hey, sir, I'm hot. I'm hot.
Get out. We're not going to do this.
I'm hot, sir.
Yeah, you swallowed drugs.
No, I did not.
You ain't stupid.
I did not swallow those drugs, sir.
Get back here.
It's not my first day, Leslie.
Now you're going to clean my truck, too. Sir, here.
I'm hot, sir. I'm dehydrated.
Right here.
I did not swallow those drugs.
You get a cocaine kit, let's just swab that.
Bro,
because that.
I did not swallow no drugs. No, I did not. I'm hot.
I'll leave this for right now.
Yeah, that's crack.
Man, that's not crack, bro.
You got white spit?
Bro, I'm dehydrated, bro. Like, bro.
And you wouldn't be.
Hey, look at that. You see how blue that is?
Bro, that is not crack,
That's positive
bro.
for cocaine. You see that, right?
Bro, how, bro?
Leslie, you see this, right?
Bro,
I'm just
telling
telling.
no cocaine.
Okay. Do you see how bright blue it is all the way around?
Oh my God, bro! I did not
I'm telling
have
you, what
no
color is
cocaine.
this? What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. That
Bro,
came out of your spit in
bro,
the
I didn't
car.
have no cocaine.
You guys see all that blue, right?
Bro, I ain't have no cocaine. Oh my God! So you found cocaine on me, bro?
It's in your spit.
Bro.
Same floor.
Okay,
On
bro.
the top thing.
Like, come on, bro. Bro, I do not have no.
If you don't mind. Yeah, if you don't want to.
Hey,
relax.
He spit in the back of the car and it's all white. Cocaine blue.
In the
In the back of the cop car. See that?
Yeah.
That's from a spit, in the back of the car. And he just spit on the ground and it's all white. So he literally was eating it all when he was getting pulled over.
Hey, sir.
Here, listen, hold on. Let me see your mouth. Open your mouth.
I ain't have nothing.
Open your mouth.
Open my mouth for
Yes,
what?
because I'm going to stick this in the corners of your mouth and or your tongue, and we're going to see if that's crack, so at least I can tell the medics you have crack in your system,
Well,
so they can help you.
nothing in
Listen,
my system,
we have
bro.
probable cause to search you. That includes, we're not searching your, you're not testing your DNA. We're looking for narcotics. This is the same thing if you had
Right,
narcotics.
so y'all
listen,
find narcotics?
listen. This
Yes,
is the
sir.
same thing if you stick something up your butt. We still get a right to search for it, correct?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So that's all I'm doing. All right.
Bro, what you mean? Come
So
on, man.
we're gonna do hard. Look at this. I'm gonna get this little corner stuff right here on your mouth.
What
Okay.
you mean? Come
Stop.
on, man.
Leslie.
Come on, bro. You can't.
Leslie.
Come on, man. What
We're
am I
trying to be as
doing?
calm as possible, okay?
No,
But you're gonna turn this
saying.
into something else.
No, I'm not,
moving.
bro. What you doing? Bro, come on, man.
Take your pick.
Man, come on, bro. Like,
It's because you know it's crack in your mouth. I'm
No,
not
it's
fucking
not,
stupid, so
bro.
let's go.
Bro, come on, bro. What you doing, bro? Come on, man. Bro, come
He
on.
still had chunks in the corner of his mouth that I got.
I got chunks in
But he was
front of
also
my
not really
mouth.
biting me, so.
Bro, I don't got nothing in my mouth, bro. Y'all found something in my car? Come on, man, look.
All over your mouth. Look at you.
Man,
That's a
ain't
powdered
nothing in my
donut.
mouth, bro.
Hold on.
I tried to get it right here.
Bro, it ain't nothing in my mouth, bro. Like, come on, bro.
It's all blue, bro. All in your mouth.
That was out the corner of your mouth. Leslie.
That's all.
Bro, it ain't nothing, bro. Like, come on, man.
That's all from his beard?
Yeah.
So you
all
found
from his
cocaine in
beard.
Can
my
you turn that
car?
inside out for us, maybe? That's actually,
So y'all
that'd be
found
great.
cocaine in my car, Sergeant Reaver?
It's all in your mouth,
Bro,
bro.
what you mean, bro? It's all in my mouth, bro.
All right. All right, Leslie.
That's hate,
Take it, sir.
bro.
Okay, well, X isn't pop off for cocaine.
Bro,
Cocaine pops off for cocaine or crack.
so what I'm getting charged with, bro?
Destruction of evidence, probably. I don't know, though. It wasn't my stop. So that's something you got to talk to Sergeant Weaver about.
I didn't get caught with no drugs, no.
Well, this shows that you did.
Bro, how,
You're
bro?
not understanding.
I ain't have no possession of no drugs.
Okay, not gonna argue with you, Leslie. Not gonna argue with you.
Medics are gonna look at you.
I just swabbed his mouth, the corner of his mouth,
Damn, son.
because he still had like white chunks right here, and his tongue is whiter than me.
I have no possession of no drugs in my car.
That's not. Nobody said that.
Like,
Nobody said that. Well, now there is.
You gotta go by ambulance.
all right, can I talk to you, sir?
Yeah, what? Hop.
Can I call
I'm listening.
Can
Huh?
I call my girl?
Call your girl for what? Hop on.
Huh?
Was that who you were on the phone with?
Huh? Yes, sir.
All right, well, she knows.
No, bro. That's
She was on the phone the whole time.
But that is not my girl, bro. The owner of the car.
Oh, okay. All right. I mean, well, we're gonna take the car.
But,
We're gonna seize the car for forfeiture.
So, okay, so.
Have a seat.
Can I talk to you, sir, please?
Yeah.
Put your feet up.
Put your feet up.
Come on, man.
I'll meet you there at the hospital. You can talk to me there if you want, or at the
Come
jail.
on, man.
Well, you gotta go, man. There's no,
So, well, bro. So, bro, it ain't no drugs in my car, sir.
because it's in your mouth, right? Okay.
Bro, I'm just saying.
We
it
showed
ain't
you
no
all the
drugs.
tests, bro.
Bro, so.
It's
come
your
on,
spit. We
man.
tested your mouth. It's in
So,
your mouth.
but-
We tested
come
drugs
on,
in the
man.
car. It's in the car.
Bro, it's no drugs in the
Okay.
car.
All right. It's all on camera and it's all on test.
Bro, it's no drugs in the car.
Yeah, the little flakes that you missed when you were trying to eat it all.
Bro, no, I didn't, bro.
Like this little flake right here in your,
Bro,
in your beard.
come on, man.
All right.
So, bro, I don't have no drugs.
Even though
He was ultimately charged with cocaine possession, tampering with evidence, and resisting an officer without violence. Would you have just come clean, or would you have tried to hide the evidence like he did? If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.